In Britain, Prime Minister Theresa May announces she will resign in 2 weeks. Her plans to end the country's European Union membership were defeated 3 times in Parliament. Kenya's highest court rules that parts of a ban on same-sex relations are legal and should remain in effect. 3 Indian climbers and 1 Nepali guide died on Mount Everest in the past few days. Nepali officials say that brings to 7 the number killed or missing in this year's climbing season. And in cities around the world, students hold protests calling for action on climate change.